Welcome to Class 5. Actuate means to make someone to take action or start something. Example: his words actuated me to work hard. Acumen means cleverness or good judgment. Example: she has great business acumen. Advertisement means a public notice. Example: I saw an advertisement on TV. Adage means old wise saying. Example: honesty is TH's best policy is an adage. Adapt means to adjust or change. Example: he adapted to the new school. Address means the place where someone live or work. Example: what is your home address? Admirable means worthy of praise. Example: her hard work is admirable. Administer means to manage or give. Example: the nurse administered medicine. Admission means entry or permission. Example: she got admission to college. Adore means to love deeply. Example: the mother adores her baby.